Hey, what's going on, guys? Tim here again. Got another review for you, and we are doing another Aroundsquare product. So today we're just having a quick look at the Aroundsquare Deadeye. So, number one question, what is it? So the Aroundsquare Deadeye is a contact coin / worry coin / skill toy. I know that's a lot of categories, but yeah, it's been dubbed a contact coin by Matt of Aroundsquare. It's this metal coin that's been very nicely finished, and you can use it as a worry coin, just something you keep in your pocket and carry around with you. You can also manipulate it in different ways, like a knuckle bone, or even using different isolation techniques similar to contact juggling. So next, what is it made of? So there are different models out there, and there's a few new ones coming out today, actually, at the time of recording this video. But the one I have is the stainless steel version, and it has the machine finish on it. And just giving you a quick close-up look of it, the finish is actually very, very beautiful. You can see all the machining lines on it, and not in a bad way. Even just the way the light catches it, it is truly something to look at. So for those of you that appreciate, well-machined things, you will appreciate the aesthetics of this piece. There are also Deadeyes made of titanium, and they come in a blasted finish or a mirror polished finish. And there is also copper and brass that come in machined finish. And I do believe there will be a heavy sandblasted version coming out as well in the copper and brass, and possibly the stainless as well. I believe Matt has teased at that. So yeah, that's the finishes you can get it in. And in terms of material preference, I've only experienced the stainless one. I do find it a bit on the heavier side. Sometimes when manipulating with my weaker fingers, like my pinky finger and my ring finger, it feels a little bit heavy sometimes, and especially earlier on when I was learning how to use it, and I did drop it every now and then. But I do like the stainless. I really do want to pick up a titanium one though, so I'll probably be getting one of those today. So how do you use it? As you can see, I've shown in the video, you can just kind of roll it in your fingers, similar to a knuckle bone. Some of the techniques with the knuckle bone do transfer over, mainly just the finger rolling. However, one of the kind of preferred methods of manipulating this coin is with this sort of isolation, where the coin is kind of balanced on your middle finger, and your thumb kind of rotates that coin in place. Now, I'm not just tracing my thumb around the edge of the coin. The coin is actually rotating along with my thumb. And with the right kind of wrist movement, you can kind of give it this floaty look, almost like it's maintaining its position while your hand just moves around it. And it's very satisfying, actually very soothing, I find, manipulating the coin like that. And it does look pretty cool too if you're really good at it. I'm not very good yet. I mean, I still need a lot of practice, but yeah, it can be rolled in between the fingers, do some sweet isolation moves, and yeah, it's not as fast and flowy as, say, a Beglary or a knucklebone. It's quite different. I would say it's much more kind of meditative and easygoing experience compared to the other two. Now that is just two ways of playing with this Deadeye. However, there's no wrong way that you can use this. It's really up to you. You can flip it like a normal coin, or you can, you can even do like kind of coin magic with it. And at the end of the day too, it is a worry stone. So as you can see, the coin itself is very smooth and rounded, so you can just kind of hold it in your hand sometimes, kind of pull your thumb across the surface, and it's actually very, very soothing to touch, which is why it kind of doubles as a sort of worry stone, something that you kind of just hold and experience. So I like that too. So overall impressions, love this Deadeye. I've been carrying it on and off for quite some time now, a few months, ever since they were first released, and there are a lot more to choose from. And as of the recording of this video, there's a new model coming out, one with kind of a hole in the center. That's the titanium model, and you can feed some paracord or some thin string through it, and you can actually wear it as a necklace or carry it in different ways because of that kind of hole in the center. So I'll probably be getting one of those, but we'll see. Yeah, overall a neat little toy, and heck, it even looks really cool just as maybe some desk art or a paperweight. But yeah, I like it. Aroundsquare Deadeye, check it out if you're interested in getting one. You can check out the Aroundsquare website, and there is a drop going on tonight with some newer products, newer Aroundsquare stuff, cool stuff, and check it out. So thank you so much for watching, guys. See you on the next video.